Have you ever been drawn to a food label that shouts Superfood in bold letters? Do you ever ask yourself, what makes this food so super? Well, today we are diving into the fascinating science behind superfoods, what they are, what they are not, and why they might deserve a place on your plate. This isn't about buzzwords. This is about understanding the real nutrients or compounds and the biological benefits that make certain foods truly stand out. So, let's decode the hype and reveal the science. Now, what are superfoods? So, here's a question. Is superfood even a scientific term? And the answer is nope. In fact, there's no regulatory definition by the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, which is a federal agency responsible for protecting public health by ensuring the safety and efficacy of food, drugs, and other products, or any major global body. But that doesn't mean they are meaningless. So, superfoods are usually packed with extraordinary amounts of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Now, they don't promise miracles, but they do support your body's ability to heal, regenerate, and thrive when eaten consistently and in balance. So these are the key things: balance, consistently. Now, the first superfood that we are going to talk about are blueberries. It's a nature's antioxidant army. So let me ask you this. Can a handful of berries improve your brain health? Science says yes, especially if those berries are blueberries. Now, they are extremely rich in anthocyanins, and these compounds are antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and protect brain cells. Now, a research from Tufts University has shown improved memory and cognitive function in those who regularly consume blueberries. So, are you one of them? Now, these blueberries are also heart healthy, low in sugar, and anti-inflammatory. Now, that's a lot for a tiny fruit, isn't it? The next superfood is turmeric, also known as the golden healer. Have you ever wondered why turmeric is such a staple in traditional medicine? It all comes down to a compound called curcumin. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help fight chronic inflammation, the root of many modern diseases. But here's a tip. Do you know how to make turmeric more effective? Now, this is where science brings a lot of good things. Combine turmeric with black pepper and piperine, which is found in pepper, boost curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. The next superfood that we are going to talk about are leafy greens, kale and spinach. So, are leafy greens really that important, or just another dietary trend? Turns out they are critical, very critical. Kale, spinach, and their cousins are nutrient dense and rich in vitamins A, K, and C, along with minerals like calcium and iron. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Plus, their high fiber content supports digestion and long-term gut health. So, in short, they are green gold. Now, you would have heard something called as chia seeds. They are also known as tiny titans. So, what do you think happens when you soak chia seeds in water? They form a gel. This gel is full of soluble fiber, which is excellent for your gut and helps regulate blood sugar. Chia seeds are also packed with omega 3s, plant protein, and antioxidants. They were prized by ancient Aztec warriors for energy, and now they power modern smoothies and bowls. Next, we are going to speak about spirulina, the space age algae. Why space age? This is the food that NASA has considered feeding astronauts on space missions. So there must be something important about it. So spirulina, a blue-green algae loaded with nutrients like B vitamins, iron, complete protein, and chlorophyll. It's known to help detoxify the body from heavy metals and supports immunity. It even improves endurance. So spirulina may not taste amazing, but it surely earns its stripes as a superfood, isn't it? So let us bust a few superfood myths. Let's challenge one of the most common myths, which is like, can one superfood fix a bad diet? Absolutely not. A smoothie won't cancel out sleep deprivation or lack of exercises or stress or junk food binges. No. Superfoods are supporting actors, not the stars of the show. They work best when paired with consistent habits like deep sleep, physical exercise, hydration, and overall clean eating. So, what is the science of balance? Why balance is that important? So, the question is, how do you get the most out of superfoods? Use them strategically. Combine turmeric with healthy fats. Eat leafy greens with citrus to boost iron absorption. Mix chia seeds with oats for sustained energy. Your body thrives on nutrient synergy. So, superfoods are tools, not magic. Use them well and they amplify your well being. So, what is our conclusion then today? We have explored the science, busted the myths, and uncovered what makes certain foods truly super. So here's one final question, and this time we want your answer. So, what's your favorite superfood, and how do you use it in your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, it's not just about one ingredient that helps the body. It's about the big picture. Eat mindfully, move, get involved in physical exercises on a daily basis and consistently, and let nature nourish you. Thanks for watching. Thank you and have a nice day.